Is Bonk coin going to flip dog with hat? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a deep dive on Bonk token, as Bonk token is starting to pick up some momentum. It is having a bit of a red week. However, I think it's setting up to create some new all-time highs. A lot of chaos going on in the crypto market with the top G himself dumping millions of dollars worth of tokens. Is this going to cause a ripple effect and start the crypto meme bull run? That's exactly what we're anticipating. But before we start the video, guys, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. Helps the channel tremendously and will help you reach your crypto goals. Taking a look at the overall market, guys, we're seeing red across the board. Bitcoin down nearly 6%, ETH down 9%, and BNB down 15%. Solana down a whopping 13%. Fear and greed index currently sitting at a 58 neutral, creeping more and more towards fear. However, I think things are about to turn upside down very, very soon, as crypto is starting to get more relevant again, to start trending again, especially with the advocates of like Andrew Tate pumping and dumping a lot of these crypto coins. I think the meme coin markets are going to begin to pump very soon. Today's main topic of discussion is Bonk coin, which currently has a $1.7 billion market cap, and it's literally just a little bit behind dog with hat, and I anticipate it could potentially flip this coin. It is up nearly 1%, down 1% on the hour, 12% on the 24, and 20% on the week. So what's going on with Bonk token? Why is it dumping? Is this going to recover? So when in doubt, zoom out. So that's usually when you get the best picture of things, and we can see price pumped, pulled back a bit, pumped again, pulled back again, pumped again, which again, so far it's repeating itself, being higher and higher all-time highs, dumped a bit, and we're seeing around the 50% zone here. All right, around here. So that's where I want to say that zone is. It's probably going to hit this zone over here at the 0.00023 before it pops off in the upward direction and breaks past this previous all-time highs. Just typical, repeating itself. The volatility's there, especially with the way market's going. That's exactly what's going to go on. The interesting one thing with Bonk is they are taking over social media. They are doing their thing on Twitter, just really creating a great community. Over 327,000 followers. This project is not to be slept on. We can see they had a recap video of a nice little event they did. The event wants to really take over the crypto world, just posting memes, engaging with the community, just having fun with it, which is the main thing with the meme community, right? How big the community is, and the fact that they grow to over 300,000, it's absolutely massive. Talking about another project, though, guys, that has massive potential, let's talk about a pre-sale gem play Doge that we've been covering on the channel now. $4.2 million raise in the first 2 weeks, and in 13 hours, they're going to have their next price hike. So if you want to buy an absolute lowest price, this is your time now to buy Play Doge. What is Play Doge? Play Doge is the ultimate play to earn mobile game that brings the iconic Doge meme to the Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your Play tokens in pre-sale to earn crypto while playing a nostalgic 2D adventure game. Featuring a ton of different articles, has a great story, great roadmap, and also great tokenomics. And cherry on top, it also has staking, paying upwards of 200% AP, which has dynamic range staking, meaning the price of staking is changing over time. This is not a project you want to miss out on. Link in the description below if you want to load up. I would grab a bag. Let's go back to Bonk. As we were talking about how they're taking over Twitter, social media is so important. Even when we go to the news tab, we see Bonk. What coin is next to explode? Bonk rival. Okay, meme coin summer. Bonk enters a critical buy zone. Crypto wheels load up on Pepe. The thing is, it is coming to a critical buy zone, guys, as very soon to switch in upwards direction. We see ETF swap, utility-driven platform, cultivating crypto whales interest, and hopefully with some whales interest, we're going to see Bonk rise. Technical analysis for top meme coin Bonk hits a price rebound. Bonk has recently provided a buy opportunity between this range with a low reading of social metrics, suggesting it could jump up to this price according to AMB Crypto's daily charts analysts. The meme coin has reached a point that could trigger a rebound above 100 EMA. So again, the technicals are looking pretty solid for Bonk. The main thing is, guys, it's Bonk's more than an ordinary cryptocurrency. It has over 700,000 holders, 129 integrations, and across 11 different chains. They are doing something different, and the thing is, the community, the people are enjoying what's happening, and that's the main thing for a meme coin community, and that's exactly what they're doing. They built a massive wave on Twitter with a cult-like following, and only participate as this bull run continues to thicken. This is going to get bigger and bigger. Like always, so guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.